Yo, first order of the day. This is a Starbucks, $7, going 4.5 miles. Oh, and they just gave me an add-on. I think this is going to a different customer. I couldn't really see, but this is a 7-Eleven, $6 extra going, no, it's a different person, 3 extra miles. Both orders ready for me on time. I like it. I like it. Today, I'm hoping for a quick and easy one because those little rats woke me up at like 4 in the morning. So I am pretty tired. I might need a coffee pick-me-up today. We'll see how I feel in like an hour or two. Next up is a McDonald's. This one is $7 and change, going 4.5 miles. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow, what an offer. Let me know if you guys would accept this. It's a shop and deliver for Safeway, $5 going 6 miles, 13 items, 23 units. Next order up is a Starbucks. This one is $7 going about 3 miles. Thank you. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a Jack in the Box, $9 going just under 5 miles. You too. Oh boy. Tell me if you would accept this order. It's a Mr. Maple Donuts, $13 going 23 miles. Got this as I was getting into my car. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway, $8 going 3 miles, 2 items. Hemorrhoid cream, huh? Interesting. Oh, and I need a pin for this. That's awkward. Next order up is a shop and deliver for Walgreens. This one is $7 going 2 miles, only 1 item. Morning. Got this right away. This is a Starbucks, $5 and change, going like 1 mile. Next order up, this is a Chick-fil-A, $8 going 4 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, that's my pleasure.
What's this? Chick-fil-A, $6 going 10 miles. Yeah, I think I'm gonna pass on that one. Been sitting around for about 15 minutes. Close to 20 minutes, actually. Still haven't gotten the next order. Been another 5 minutes, but finally got the next order. This is a Chick-fil-A, $9 going about 5 miles.
Carry out for Alexander.
Next order up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $12 going 6.5 miles, only 1 item. I'll be honest, I don't even know if this order is going to be worth it. It's taking so long to get there. I've gotten way too many red lights.
Where are you going? Go through this right.
You can scan it?
Yeah, please. Yep, just that. Bruh, DoorDash won't let me end my dash. It's stuck on the pause screen. So I can't even check how much I've made today because I'm trying to call it a day. So I guess I'll just throw up the total whenever that comes in. But current time is 9:12. And yeah, total, I don't know. Today started off pretty solid all the way up until I had that long gap of no orders, and then it kind of slowed down ever since. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.